My name is Flash Isaac, and I'm a teacher from the future. When I was much younger, I saw thousands and thousands of people fail Jamb and unable to gain admission. This made me travel in time. Now I am back with the Flashlearners Jamb app and a series on YouTube tagged 120 Days to Jamb. My mission is to help you blast Jamb and as well get justice for everyone who Jamb has served breakfast. This is episode number 53 of the 120 Days to Jamb Mathematics with Flash Isaac. In this episode, we shall be answering further questions under matrices and determinants. Now, here is the question before us. It says, find the inverse of the matrix n is equals 2, 3, 1, 4. 2, 3, 1, 4. The inverse of the matrix. At the end of this question, you will understand two things. How to find the determinant of 2 by 2 matrices and how to find the inverse of 2 by 2 matrices. Before you look for the inverse of 2 by 2 matrices, the first thing you do is to find the determinant. How do you find the determinant of 2 by 2 matrices? Look at this. If you are given 2 by 2 matrices and you are asked to look for like this, or determinant of n, simply use this guy to multiply this guy minus this guy times this guy. That is determinant of any 2 by 2 matrix. In this case, you say either 2 times 4 or 4 times 2. They are the same answer. Multiplication is commutative. 4 times 2 minus 1 times 3 or 3 times 1. This is 8 minus 3 and this is 5. The determinant of this matrix is 5. From the matrix, there is 2 here, 3 here, 1 here and 4 here. Do like this. The one that is here, take it down. The one that is down, take it up. So, here becomes 4, here becomes 2. The one that is here, change the sign. The one that is here, change the sign. This becomes minus 3 and minus 1. Divide everything by the determinant. That is over 5. This is the same thing as 1 over 5, 4 minus 3 minus 1 and 2. This is the inverse of this matrix. That is how to find the inverse of any 2 by 2 matrix. You look for the determinant, then you switch. The one that is here, take it down. The one that is down, take it up. Then the ones that are here, change their signs. If they were positive, change to negative. If they are negative, change to positive. That is it. Let's see another example. Given this matrix A, this is a 2 by 2 matrix. If you are told to find A raised to the power of minus 1 or 1 over A or A inverse, you simply, first of all, find the determinant of A. How do you do that? You say this times this minus this times this. And what is that? 4 times 2 minus 2 times minus 2. That would be 8 minus 2 times minus 2. That is plus 4. So 8 minus 4. This will give you 4. So A like this is equals 4. That is determinant. After looking for the determinant, you find the adjoint of the matrix. How do you do that? What is here, you bring it down. What is down, you take it up. Then you change the sign of this guy to give you adjoint 4, 2, 2, 2. This is minus, you change it to plus. This is minus, you change it to plus. But for these other guys, don't change the sign, just invert. What next? You divide by the determinant to have 1 over 4 because the determinant is 4. This is your inverse, A inverse. In some questions, Jamb will do the division. Instead of doing something like this, they will actually divide. How do you do that? This is the same thing as 4, 2, 2, 2 over 4. Because we are dividing by the determinant. Dividing each of the elements by 4 by saying 4 over 4, 2 over 4, 2 over 4, 2 over 4. This is the same thing as 4 divided by 4 is 1, 2 over 4, that is 1 over 2, 2 over 4, 1 over 2, 2 over 4, 1 over 2. So, your answer can either come in this form, or in this form. Generally, inverse of 2 by 2 matrix is usually in this form. 1 over the determinant, then you have A, B, D, A. So the negative of that guy. I hope you understand the determinants and the inverse of 2 by 2 matrix. If so, glory be to God. See you in the next episode. And don't forget to install the Flashlearners Jamb application to play with questions. And don't forget to let me know how you feel about this class. Don't forget to tell your friends if you like the class. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Take care of yourself.